Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Patriot Bank debit/ATM card for everyday use, based on my own experience researching their accounts. Choosing the best debit card really comes down to which checking account is the best fit for your habits, because a card is tied directly to the account. For most people focus on everyday use. The key is minimizing fees and maximizing convenience. Based on what Patriot Bank offers, I found a few key checking accounts that stand out, and each comes with a Visa debit card. First, let's look at the Patriot checking account. This is a great standard option. The debit card associated with it offers a huge benefit. They give you rebates on ATM fees for up to 4 non-Patriot ATM transactions each month. In my experience, this is excellent for everyday use because it gives you flexibility. You're not constantly hunting for a specific in-network ATM. However, to avoid a monthly maintenance fee, you need to either maintain a $1,000 minimum average daily balance or set up a direct deposit. If you consistently use direct deposit, this is a solid, low-cost option. Second, for those who are really tech-savvy and want to keep things simple and low-cost, the e-checking account is a strong contender. This account is designed for customers who primarily use online and mobile banking, and they offer low opening deposit and a low or no monthly fee, often with no minimum balance requirement. The catch is generally that you're expected to use electronic statements and services. If you do most of your daily spending and banking digitally and rarely need to write a check, the debit card you get with this account is perfect for tap and pay and online shopping without the worry of maintaining a high balance. Third, if you're a heavy spender and want maximum perks, the Star Banking account is the premium choice. The debit card here comes with the best ATM benefit: unlimited rebates on non-Patriot ATM fees. That means you can use literally any ATM you want and Patriot Bank will refund the fee. It also comes with other bonuses like special rates on CDs. The drawback? It requires a much higher minimum aggregate average daily balance, around $15,000 across checking and linked non-checking accounts, to waive the monthly fee and get all those perks. If you keep a high balance, this is easily the best card for maximum freedom. In summary, for most people looking for a straightforward, everyday card, the Patriot checking account is your best bet if you have direct deposit and want some fee rebates on non-Patriot ATMs. The e-checking account is great if you prefer digital banking and want to avoid high minimum balances. I've personally found that having those ATM fee rebates is a massive convenience, especially when traveling or in a pinch, so I always prioritize a checking account that offers that benefit. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.